Hi, today we're gonna talk about how to manipulate the size of an image and I'm going to paint a canvas bag in the process. So the trick to enlarge any image is to build two grids, a small one and a bigger one that will fit your final design. So the original image is 5 squares on my small grid. So I need to build a bigger grid with 5 squares, and that will come out 4 centimeters each square. So this is the big grid done, and now we're gonna copy the image. Now, working on each square, you just repeat the original design as if by magic. As you can see, the framework makes it so much easier to get proportions right. Now this is just a rough sketch, and I'm using an HB pencil. Once the outlines are right, then I'm using a 6B pencil, which is softer, and I will define the design the way I want it. Now to transfer the image. If you're a professional, you will have plenty of acetate to use, but as mortals, for everybody else, greaseproof paper is good enough. It will do the job. We'll have to square the paper on the design. It's not necessary, but it's better. It makes life so much easier when we go to center the design at the end. So square the paper and then secure it with some masking tape. And then with a pen, I'm using a pen, but a marker is good enough. Gonna trace it over. And now we need to make it transferable, and we're gonna trace it on the other side. To protect your worktop, put something on the back of the design. Here I'm using cardboard, which is the first thing that came to hand, but it's wrong because it's corrugated and it leaves wobbly marks. So I'll have to change it to paper. I have been using charcoal sticks and charcoal pencils. They're great, but the charcoal stick, I'm using the wobbly bit. The charcoal stick, if you're confident enough to use it, is great, but otherwise the pencil is the best, but they're so very delicate. If you drop them, they break, and then just keep on sharpening it forever, and they just fall to pieces. So I did the head with charcoal, but I did the rest of the body with the 6B soft pencil, and then we're gonna see the difference. Don't forget to square the design, because it's not necessary, but it makes life so much easier when you go and center it. Now I have my bag, and I need to center the image. And now again, secure it with masking tape. And then just using tip on my nail, I'm gonna press the image on, and that's one way. Or else, let's check, it works, yeah, and that's the pencil. You can use the back of your pen or a brush or any soft-ish implement, and there you go. And then you'll save your nails. So that's on pencil mark done, and this is in charcoal. And here we are, not much different. Pencil works perfectly. And that's our transfer. Here I'm using a laundry fabric pen. This is very, very good because it acts like a pencil, and it's good to mark all the image because working on it, you can smudge the design in the back of your hand, and this way the image is secure. This pen is very good for more complicated designs because it's so fine. Otherwise, there's other marker pens, and these ones are good to fill in the designs, but yeah, at the end of the day, I still prefer paint. So I'm gonna finish the back feathers with marker pen, and then I'll go on to paint. Oh, that one is nearly finished because I never use it. It's gone old. And this is my tribute. This is my tribute to Jackson Pollock. One day I'm gonna sell it for millions. For now, I'll just clean my brushes on it. I'm using the top of the bottle because fabric paint is very expensive. So rather than wasting it on a dish, I'll just use that, which is fine. And this is the fun bit. This is the relaxing eye. The relaxing strokes. Now I'm very proud of my transferring technique, which I've invented it one night. I needed carbon paper and I didn't have any, and obviously I couldn't wait for the day after. And I thought, how do I make it? And I thought, what if I just trace the bit that I need to copy? And I did that, all the process of marking back on the design and so on, and I was very proud of it. And then obviously I realized that somebody invented it well before me, but still in my head I've done it because obviously nobody told me. Haha. So there. What I cannot take credit for is this image, this design. I really like it, but I didn't make it, I didn't invent it, I didn't create it. I copied it years ago from a book or a magazine, I don't know, I don't remember. And I think he was a Japanese artist, but whoever he is or she is, and wherever they are, thank you so much, because it's amazing. I really like it. It's so simple, and it says it all. And it's a bit Art Nouveau as well. Anyway, I really, really like it. Thank you. And that's that done. Oh, I forgot to mention. Before you start painting, put some cardboard or paper, anything at the back of your fabric, because the paint might go through and mark the other side, obviously. And if you're doing a shirt or something, you need protecting. And here it is, a little bird in grass. And that's how you go from there to there. Easy peasy, when you know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully see you soon. Bye.